You requested it, so I made it. I'm going to be trying weird things from Club Factory again. This time not from any particular genre. These are like the most weird things I could find in general. The first thing is a sweat slim belt. I clearly remember I did not go for XL, and here it reads XL. They have given me no instructions with this on TV. I have seen the advertisement for this thing. Now they do recommend this ki workouts ke waqt it gives you more sweat, but they also advertise this thing as ki even if you're not working out and you have this on, you are supposed to sweat more and lose more belly fat. So we have quite a few things to try, and that is why I'm going to put this on right now and see if we do sweat more in the next few minutes. So I do have it on, and I don't think it's an XL because it fits me quite okay. Like even when I'm sitting right now, it's forcing me to keep my back straight and it is holding my tummy in. So I do have high hopes now after wearing it. Let's see towards the end of this video if this actually works or not. The second item I have is this weird contraption. It has so many things on it. It has this spray thing, ठीक है? Fur cleaner है. पानी निकालने के लिए जो kitchen में होता है ना वो है. Too many things in one. Let's see if this works or not. I think we open it from here to fill it with either soap water or normal water. I'm going to use normal water. I imagine who would have thought of this. So it keeps rotating, but I can't feel it getting tighter. So I think this is it. The moment of truth. What's the deal? It is off. That is why. I did not know this came with this technology. Like I thought only collar and all those things came with that. Do we have spray maybe options? We do. That was a spray and this is a stream. I thought this was an okay device, but hello, I'm already impressed. All three things work, and how? This gets a big thumbs up. The third item I have is the most useful one in my opinion because I could not wait to use it. It was not this empty dabba. Inside this we got not this charger but the tiny thing on the charger. So this is what the charger looks like after it is on. I am going to dismantle it for you to explain how to put it on. Now this is kind of tedious, it took me a while. So this comes in 4 parts, 2 outer parts and 2 inner. So I think these parts are the same for any design. It's the upper part which actually changes the design. And to show you the state of my charger, it's busted. Like look at that. I should not be doing this but I really need to show you. That is why I'm putting it right here कि इसको bend होने ना मिले. Just got to join, and these things now these don't completely join. These are not just for show purpose. This actually makes it sturdy and it's on. It's that easy and I keep pushing it upwards ताकि वो गिरे नहीं. Also I love Captain America, so that's a bonus. So in 100 rupees approximately, I saved 2 more thousand rupees because I think that's what a new cable costs, and it also looks cute. It does not look as ugly as my dirty tape. One downfall is that it does slip occasionally, so you have to keep pushing it back up, otherwise it will accelerate the breaking of the cable. But apart from that, a great buy. I give this a big pass. The next thing we have are these sketchy umbrella key holders. I mean sketchy because I always see them and they look cute, but then I think do they look like this in real life? We are about to find out. I really like it when they give two-way tape up handles of the umbrella attachment that they've given. There are 4 in all. I think we need only 3, so I really appreciate that they've given an extra one. Even though the instructions aren't there, I think it is going to be easy. All we have to do is shove this in. Fits quite well. Take this ring and put this on. It fits. It's done. And now we take the two-way tape and stick it on the wall. I'll just make all the 3 really quick. This is where you've got to put the handle in and it should come out smoothly. And then you've got to take your grip. And it's elastic, so it will go on it quite easily. See? And itna hi jagah bachta hai, so it is perfectly made. But there are inconsistencies. Red one के लिए literally मैंने दांत से खींच के उसको बाहर निकाला है. So the handle was much thicker than it should have been, and that is why this happened. And now it is so thick and tight that I can't even move it. So it's ada. Now what you have to test is that is the two-way tape that comes with it good enough to actually hold the weight of the keys. Let's see. We'll let that stay, and in the meantime we do the other two. feels pretty sturdy, like I'm hitting it and it's not moving at all. So I'm gonna put one bunch of keys on this. This is semi heavy. Okay, this did not budge. The handle moved, but this did not budge. Up next we have a vegetable sharpener. I mean, they literally have titled this as spiral cutter plus sharpener. So in the photo they are showing that if we put a zucchini or a carrot, then we'll get noodles out of it, and I don't know what the other side is for, so we'll find out if we can have healthy noodles from today. Now I have my vegetable sharpener or noodle maker. I have one carrot and I have one dish. So let's try the smaller side first and see what it does. There are no instructions. How do I do it? Let's try the bigger one. So I think we have to push it enough so that it comes out of the other side, and then we've got to this side is producing. But these aren't turning out to be long. These are flat, these are bigger. So I do think they will give noodles wala feeling. But it's coming more and more out from the other side. What do I do about that? Okay, I know how I feel about this. The smaller side, in my opinion, is just like a grater, तो उसका कुछ मुझे नया use नहीं लगा. The bigger side definitely produces flat grated carrots, which I think does give a noodle wala feeling. However, it keeps taking more and more of the carrot inside. So I have a feeling that after one point of time, it's going to take your fingers in. So it's very dangerous. I do think it is worth the money if you are somebody who's on a diet and would like to eat carrot or zucchini noodles on a daily basis. But be very, very careful and keep it out of reach of children, because I feel that I could have cut my finger anytime right now. So yeah, use bigger carrots and bigger people for this. The next item I have is a very funky plug holder. I did not even know that this thing exists, but I definitely knew the moment I saw it कि मेरे घर में इसका usage है. Let's put it on and see if it actually holds the weight. Here is our little chef. It is made of ceramic in my opinion, because it does not feel hollow. I'm going to take the two-way tape that came with this. Going to put it right at its back and gonna peel this off and place it right in the middle of the oven and the microwave, so that जिसका भी plug hold करना हो वो यहाँ से easily आ जाए. I'm applying some pressure to make sure this fits in, and it does. Look at how organized. Now it's not going to lie on the floor or stay on the top. It fits, and even if I like push it, easily नहीं निकलेगा. You have to manually take it out. The next thing I have is bunny ear का remote cover. Now when I saw this, इसका material मुझे कपड़ा लगा था. So I thought कि how will they give a कपड़े का cover without even knowing my remote, because all remotes I think do size differently. But now that it's in my hand, I can see that this is silicone, like it's stretchable. So I will have to see if it fits my remote or not. To give this product a fair chance, we'll actually test it on differently sized remotes. As you can see, it is still in the plastic wrapping that it came in. So if this works, the plastic wrapping can go finally. Not as tight as I'd like it, because the tighter it gets, the clearer the vision will get. But it's still pretty big for this remote. So I will test it on the biggest remote that I have in my home. I'll get it out. For these, we had to get covers custom made. This feels too big for this, but let's try. I hope I don't break the remote. Okay, this is way better on this. Way better. It's tight, which has definitely made it clearer. And this is so airtight, I feel कि इसमें धूल नहीं जाएगा. This could work. I think on an even bigger remote. So I think इसमें sizes थे. So I would recommend you to buy the smallest size available, because I think for a generic remote that would be best. But if you have such big remotes in your home, you can size up. So yeah, this turns from a thumbs down to a thumbs up. The second last thing is this thing for braids, and the braid that they've shown behind this thing looks very interesting. But in the photo also somebody else is doing the braid for the model, and I think that kind of defeats the purpose. Like अगर tool है तो फिर we should be able to do it ourselves. So we'll try if this works by a single person. These are the instructions for you in a close-up. You can pause and take a screenshot if you'd like to. I don't think we're supposed to pin it in. I'm gonna put all my hair at the back and I'm gonna just hold it. Now the first instruction says take a piece of hair from top of the head, feed it into the first two loops. Where is the first loop? Yeah, I found the first loop. Yeah, I found the first loop and I found the second loop. Okay, now this thing is going to stay in my hair. So I think ये piece को जाने देना है और अब नया piece लेना है. I have a feeling कि it's not really staying inside. Taking another from the right, putting it in, and I feel like I'm missing on loops. Over, under, and yeah, over, under. I have a feeling that very few loops are left, but quite a lot of my hair is left. I think we'll have to tie a rubber band here. I just saw this and it looks good. It does not look like a French braid to me at all, but that's probably because the chunks are big or it's not done right. But for the first attempt, this looks like such a good messy braid, and it looks neat, like there isn't hair flying everywhere. So this gets a big thumbs up. I would take a few strands out and make it a little more presentable, frame my face. I do like it. And the last thing, my friends, is the thing that all of us need, not only girls, because this is the heel cushion, not the stiletto wala heels, your foot wala heel ke liye cushion for any shoes that we have. So I'm going to test them and pray to God that these work, because then this will be life changing. Here we have them. I have owned something like this in the past, and the only problem was कि ये glue ना, it wears off after a while. This does claim that it will stay in one place. I have my heels with me. I'm gonna take the glue thing off and place this. I want it to be on the edge because that's where the plastic is. And the second shoe now. Big thumbs down. The moment I put my foot in, उसके साथ तो ये भी अंदर चला गया. And I'm like, hello, I just stuck you. How did you just go in? But it did. I had to pull it out and put it back in place. And after that, every time I moved my foot even a little bit, it would move with my foot. अगर थोड़ा बाहर निकाला तो ये भी बाहर, अंदर गया तो ये भी अंदर. So I know for a fact कि this is not going to stay in one place, and that becomes annoying. You can't keep adjusting it the whole day. I'd rather just put a band-aid on my foot. It didn't work for me at all. Now that it's towards the end of this video, I know how I feel about the Sweat Slim belt, although I don't think they call it that, but that's what I know it as. When I just got up, I was like, I'm not sweating even a little bit, so this does not work. But I have been standing for I think the last 4 to 5 minutes, and I have actually sweat a little, which I don't think I do usually when I'm just standing. I think that low-key this product works. To give my final verdict, I'm going to wear this for my workouts whenever I go, but I'm going to wear it and then I can update you maybe on the YouTube stories or maybe on Insta stories. But for now, I think I'm going to go to side thumbs because I'm not very sure yet. So this was me trying the most weird things from Club Factory, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.